I'm so excited. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am beyond excited. I have my very first Gucci purchase and I am so excited, you guys. I've been eyeing this product for the longest time, so I finally decided to give in, especially since it's summertime. I want to get the most out of it and be able to use it and style it in so many different ways. But before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you're new around here. My name is Fabiola and I create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button down there below so that way you don't miss out on new videos. And also make sure to check out my blog, FABIOLAGBeauty.com. I'll list a lot of products that I mention in my videos in my blog as well. So make sure you check it out and follow me on my Instagram. So that being said, let's move on to the video. So I literally just got this a couple hours ago and I finished my breakfast very quickly, got ready because I really wanted to do this unboxing. So there's a bunch of bubble wrap that we don't need. And here it is, you guys. This is the item that I got. It's in here. And I think I opened the box the wrong way because inside the cardboard box, there is like the name Gucci written on it, but it's just a box. Okay, so it comes in a bag like this. So excited, you guys. This is like my very first Gucci purchase. On the inside, there is this return policy. So, okay, so it's the return policy envelope, and there's also like the return label in case you want to return it, and I believe they do offer like free returns, which I thought was great. I'm always worried about that. And then there's also this says Gucci Flora. It's like a envelope. What is this? Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so yummy, you guys. Here it is, you guys. I'm so excited. I love the packaging. I love the box, and the ribbon is like all black and it says Gucci all around it. And you know what? I actually want to take a picture. So let me take a picture before I unbox it. All right, I'm back. I took a couple pictures for my Instagram. So now we're going to unbox this together. And this actually comes so tight. That's why I wanted to take a couple pictures before I open it. I'm so excited. So inside the box, it comes packaged like this. There's like some tissue paper with a sticker that says Gucci. And then inside there is a dust bag. I must say the dust bag is quite nice. It has a logo in the front that says Gucci. It's like a little tag. It's very soft. And it has like a black ribbon. And the product that I got is a belt, you guys. Oh, this is heavy. It just like fell and I could like literally feel how heavy this was. So I'm on their website right now so I can tell you the exact belt that I got. I got the black Gucci Marmont double G belt, and this one is in the 1.6 inches wide. They do have a smaller version of this, like I believe it's like a 0.1, I mean a 1.0 or a 0.8, but I really didn't like that one. I just thought it was too small. And okay, so inside there is this like little tag, and then also like a code in here. And oh, I can smell that leather. It smells so good. Wow, you guys, this is so luxurious. It feels amazing. The buckle right here is so heavy. It has like that, you know, expensive feel to it. You can definitely tell that it is really good quality. It's so beautiful. I love this like brassy gold color. I think it looks stunning. And I'm so excited, you guys. So I had a little bit of trouble ordering online for, you know, the size that I needed. So hopefully this fits. I do have a friend at work that ordered hers last month, and she told me she got a size 85. So I kind of went off by that, and then by, you know, the size of the jeans. So hopefully this works. I want this so that it fits, you know, on my high-waisted jeans and also with dresses once in a while. So I'm going to try it out to see how it looks, but overall I am very impressed with the quality of this belt. I think it's beautiful, and I definitely see myself wearing this a lot. So in the back they have like a bunch of serial numbers in here. I believe that's probably what makes it authentic. And yeah, so the belt itself, it has 5 little holes, and I know a lot of people have said that if you need like an additional hole, you can either bring it to like a Gucci store, or you can even take it to like those special places where they like fix and repair shoes. They can like make an additional hole for you. So hopefully I won't need any of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. So here is what the belt looks like when I put it on with my jeans. For reference, these jeans are a size 5 or 27, and the belt looks really, really nice with the jeans. These are, I'm not gonna say like high-waisted, because they're actually like right below the belly button, which is what I normally like to wear, jeans that are like either below the belly button or high-waisted. So when I wear these with these jeans that are below the belly button, they are in the second to last hole. So even if I lose like a few pounds and I'm able to get it to the 3rd hole, it would be wonderful. And I really, really love it, you guys. It's so pretty. I am so, so excited. It's so nice, and it looks really awesome when you pair it up with jeans. You can also wear these with like dresses, or just, you know, on your like on your shirt on the waist. But really like these. I think I could have even probably gotten away with like a size 90, just so that it's like a little bit bigger and there's more room left. But as of now, there's still like about all this left, which I think it's perfect. Again, these are the size 85, so it's a size 85 belt. So that was it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Like I said, I will be doing an upcoming how to style your Gucci belt in different ways. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button, so that way you don't miss out that new video when I upload it. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.